Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to buy Solana on Binance using USDT. But first, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. And so to start, go to your favorite web browser and then search for how to buy Solana on Binance using USDT. And right here, we can see the step-by-step process. Now, choose or select this first option. How to buy Solana on Binance. So right here, it says that the first thing that we want to do is to create a free account on the Binance website or the app. After that, we need to choose how we want to buy Solana asset. It can be by using credit card or debit card or a bank deposit. You can choose any payment method that you want. After that, you need to check the payment details and fees. And then lastly, store or use your Solana in Binance. And that's it. It's just simple and easy. Try it out. If you have question or suggestion regarding this video, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.